Everybody, welcome back to the channel. Let's talk about where have all the good deals gone. Why can't you find anything? You're trying to become a real estate investor. Guys, it's not that there aren't great deals. The deal of a lifetime comes around at least once a week. You just have to start doing your part, putting in the work, and you got to know where to look. For 25 years, we've gotten our best deals at the auctions. And guys, I'm not suggesting in this video that you should immediately jump into those. They're the very most advanced and hardest place to buy real estate. But what I am going to suggest is that you start looking at this stuff. And if you're in Puerto Rico, I'm going to invite you to come to an auction that's coming up here August 25th, being held by Central Casa Subasta. There's over 80 properties in this particular auction, and I'll go through why I think it's the very best place for you guys to come and have a good time, look and see what happens at these auctions, maybe bid on something, and if you're lucky, maybe you win a great deal, get yourself a deal of a lifetime, get started in the real estate life. And I hope that you can do that. If you're within the sound of my voice, there are going to be some deals at this auction. We have bought houses through Central Casa Subasta. So we've actually bought houses through them. We've sold properties through these auctions. And this auction should be the same. We're going to be bidding. We're going to be trying to buy some stuff. We've got some stuff in the auction. Check it out. There's bank-owned stuff. There's other real estate investors who've got properties in there. But this is a great place that you can go and find some good deals for the island of Puerto Rico. So why in the world would I invite you to an auction that I'm going to be bidding on properties and that I'm going to try and buy stuff at? Robert, why are you doing that? Well, if you've watched this channel for any amount of time, you know that we want to help you become a real estate investor, and I believe that there's going to be some great deals there. So this is a safe place for you to come and get into this auction world. And it's not like the auctions that I've spent most of my time and made most of my money at, which are tax deed auctions and foreclosure sale auctions at the courthouse steps. And so I'm going to go through why it's different and why I think that it's a really good place for you, anyone who's watching this. Hopefully, if you're a local Puerto Rican and you didn't know about this auction, you can click on the link below, you can register to come. Here, let's go through this. If I'm bidding on a property at the foreclosure sale, whether that's in Orlando, Florida, all over the state of Florida, or even on the island of Puerto Rico, it's a really tough place to go and buy properties. You have to do all of your research ahead of time. You do not get to have things like title searches, inspections. You don't get any kind of due diligence whatsoever. So you have to do all of that work ahead of time before you show up at the courthouse steps. And oh, by the way, when you show up at the courthouse steps to bid on these properties, you need to bring all of the money to pay the very same day. So this is high intense, super dangerous, but also could be super lucrative, but there's just a ton to do. This is not for beginners, right? Like if you go and haven't done your homework, you will get burned. There will be people who are at those auctions at the courthouse step that don't want to see you succeed. They in fact want you to lose your money, and it is buyer beware. And be very careful if you decide to go. Make sure that you've learned how to do all of the due diligence ahead of time. So now, why do I invite you to come to an auction that Central Casa Subasta is putting on? That there are going to be some really good deals at this auction. You have the next couple of weeks to take their flyer and drive and look at these properties, do your due diligence. And all you need in order to register to bid is to click on the link and talk to the people at Central Casa Subasta. You're going to have to bring a deposit. So you have to have, I think that it's 5% of the amount that you're going to bid on a property. You have to give them ahead of time as a deposit. And they'll tell you the exact process and how much time you'll get. But at the end of winning the bid at this Central Casa Subasta auction, you will get a contract, and then you're going to have like 30 days to close on the deal. So you might even be able to go get bank financing. Again, check all of this out with your realtor or with the Central Casa Subasta. If you need a great realtor, send me an email at flipflopflipperpr@gmail.com. I've spoken to Robert Segi. He would be happy to help register you guys and represent you in this auction. There are plenty of other people who are in our community that maybe they'll put their contact in the comments section below here, and you can reach out to them. Guys, I don't get anything out of this. I'm going to this auction to try to buy some stuff. I invite people who are like-minded to partner with me. So I would love to see some of you from the channel show up and bid and buy properties. If we ever could do a deal, that'd be great too. But this is a really safe way for you to get accustomed to going into an auction. And before COVID, when Central Casas would put on these auctions, man, they were just a blast. They were the most fun atmosphere that I've ever been to. The first one that I went to was like 3 weeks after I showed up on the island. I'm the only Ringo guy there, and I'm bidding on properties, not even knowing what I'm bidding on. I'm just, you know, I just can't help myself if I hear about a house being auctioned off at $10,000, you know, I'm bidding $11,000. And so I'm bidding on things. People are looking at me like I'm out of my mind, but it was such a cool time. The guy's banging the gavel, he's breaking the desk, they're ringing bells and blowing cow horns, and it was just wild. At the end of it, or in the middle of it, they take a break, they feed you. At the end of it, I think they had cocktails. So I don't drink, I didn't participate in that, but just a really, really good fun time. Even if you wanted to go spend a Friday or a Saturday, I think the 25th is a Friday, but you guys can check out the calendar. Check out the link below for the Central Casa Subasta auction. Again, we're inviting you to come to this auction so that you can see this world. And it's not as dangerous as going to a foreclosure auction where you have to have all of the money the same day and you have to have all of the due diligence done. So you could put up a deposit, win the bid, go through the title process. If there's bad title or something like that, you'll be able to get out of the contract. Again, talk to the people at Central Casa Subasta because it's their auction and not mine, but it's much lower key. It's much safer level of entry. You will probably get to have some due diligence, and you don't have to have all of the money the same day. So at most, you're risking your deposit, your 5% deposit, where if you make a mistake, you can probably absorb that loss. But if you make a mistake at one of the foreclosure auctions, you put up all of the money. If you've made a mistake, you're just in trouble, and you hopefully don't lose all of your money. I hope to see you at this auction. It'll be a great time. Guys, take advantage of this. I hear all of the time on this channel that Puerto Rico real estate prices have just gone through the roof, that there's no good deals. No one can find any good deals. And so I'm holding your hand here, guys. I'm giving you a gift. There's 80 properties here. They're all going to start out at a bid that's a good deal to someone. And there's going to be a bunch of things that are going to be sold to people. People are going to get tremendous deals at this auction. And we've been to a bunch of them. I don't know if we'll be able to win any of these bids, but we're going to be there. We're going to have a good time. We're going to try it. We're going to see how it works. So we're going to do our due diligence. And if you are going to come, I highly suggest that you do your due diligence, right? So take the flyer, click on it, pull it up, drive to the properties, go inside them where you can, but at least get into the neighborhoods and see what they look like. See what the houses that are in good shape in the neighborhood looks like versus houses that are in bad shape in the neighborhood. What do they look like? Try and figure out what things are for sale for in this neighborhood. So you ought to very easily be able to take these properties that are in this auction, go to them, physically look at them, and then drive around the neighborhood and see what else is for sale and start to gather some information and start to build your knowledge base so that when you come to the auction, and let's say you've looked at all 80 of these properties and you know that the properties that are fixed up and in good shape are selling for this amount. They're selling for, let's say they're selling for $200,000. And at the auction, you could buy this house for $100,000 and you've been there and you've seen it and you know that you could fix it up for $15,000, $20,000, $30,000. That's a great deal. And if you do that work, you'll be able to take advantage of that and buy that property. There's all kinds of different things all over the island too. So there's deals in Ponce and Cedra and Ceiba. I mean, all over the metro area, all over the island. I even think I saw some stuff in Mayagüez. So there is something for everybody. Check it out, August 25th. Hit the link below, like and subscribe to this. I'll put the link below so you can click on it. You can see the properties that are going to the auction. You can sign up to come to the auction. Just get your 5% in with them. If you want representation, send me the email at theflipflopflipperpr@gmail.com and I'll introduce you to a really good realtor. I don't get anything out of this, guys. I want to see you become a real estate investor, and we're trying to grow a community that does real estate investment deals together. So like and subscribe. God bless.